Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita. Thank you so much for being here today. So I'll be doing a zodiac reading for Leos today, and it's going to be telling you your 1st August to 15th August 2020. How's it going to be? And it's only for Leos. So please remember that this is the general reading, and it may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So whatever resonates, please take that, and you can leave the rest. So let's begin. Let's see what 1st to 15th August has, in store for you, Leos. Let's take out cards for you. A lot of confusion, a lot of stress going on. That's being an obstacle in your life at the moment. But 1st to 15th August brings you a lot of positive moments, special moments. Anyways, it's very positive for you because it's a special month for you. Celebration is definitely on the cards. Any problems, stress, lack of balance that's happening in your life will all come to an end. Whatever confusions you're facing are coming to an end. Please remember, celebration is on the cards. If you have, prospects for business or career or work, choose the person very wisely. Make decisions with your wisdom, and new opportunities, new beginnings are there on the cards for August 2020, 1st to 15th for a lot of you. Things which were not in control, things which were not coming to, successful, successful terms, or say things that you wanted to happen the way, in a particular manner, but were not happening the way you wanted them. So they are definitely going to be happening in your favor the way you want to have them. See you saving a lot of money for a better tomorrow. You're moving in the right direction. I see whatever hard work, whatever things you've put in are coming true. Contentment is on the cards, which is very important. So on the whole, very positive beginnings. Peace, love, prosperity, everything is coming hand in hand for Leos. August 1st to 15th, it's a very bright time for you. And like I've said, peace, love, prosperity, everything coming to you. People who were wanting loans, who were wanting financial help, everything is on the cards. Women, I see you starting to work, or those big savings that you were wanting to do. This is the right time. It's going to bring you a lot of positive aspects. Things that were stuck, that were stagnant since long, things that were not moving, phases, temporary phases of negativity that were already there in your life or have been stuck. It's all coming to an end from August beginning, first 15 days. And contentment, satisfaction, happiness, perfection, everything is on the cards for you. And I see you following your intuition, following your gut feeling. That's very important. All confusions coming to an end. You might even have options in wherein you'll have to just choose. You'll have to just make some comparisons. A lot of balance is coming in your life. Make the right decisions. Listen to your intuition. You might meet few old friends. A reunion is on the cards. I've already said celebration is there on the cards. So on the whole, your hard work is paying off. And whatever small stress, nitty-gritties, whatever was on your mind, whatever has been on your mind all through this time, it's all time to release it. Negativity is going out from your life. You're going to be things are going to be very easy for you and very comfortable. It's a situation of comfort and happiness. Just surrender. Like I've already said, that your intuitions are very strong. Listen to your intuitions. Listen to your own wisdom. Your gut will tell you what is right, what is wrong. A lot of balance is there going to be in your life. You've done your bit. Whatever you could do, you've done it. Hard work. This is this phase of July, the few days that are left. This is the time for hard work, so that the first 15 days of August bring you the prosperity, the abundance of success that you're waiting for, your ambitions coming true. And that's the time for you to just sit and surrender to the divine and ask the divine, ask the Almighty to give you what you have asked for, give you the results, the fruits of your hard work. And for those of you who feel that a few delays are happening, remember your commitment is being tested. The cards are suggesting that the commitment that you have is being tested. So you just need to wait so that the universe also feels that you have faith, you have belief in the universe, in the Almighty, and you are going to, do just wait and watch. That's what the cards are telling you. Since this is a month, it's your birthday month, it's a special month, a lot of your planetary positions are going to be changing. So this is the time your negative planetary influences will be warded off, and how you will see how whatever challenges that you were facing in your life, whatever fears that you had in your mind, inhibitions that you had, everything is just coming to an end, everything is slowly easing off. The universe is going to be pleased with your action of surrender, with your action of commitment, with your action of just waiting, and letting the universe take you in that direction where you really need to be. So let the universe bless you with all the energy and a powerful personality, or a powerful persona, a powerful aura. It's going to really, this is a time of fame, prosperity, reaching your ambition. It's a wonderful time, and I've already said celebration is on the cards. Just be consistent with your work, and first few days are like first to 15th. This reading is for 1st to 15th of August, so I don't want to divert or go ahead of that. But let me tell you, since the cards have already showed me that a lot of you are going to experience this time for much longer also, maybe even 2 months, but I won't go further in that because it's already, it's just a 15-day reading, so we'll just stick to that. If at this point in time today you are feeling that you want to walk away from people, you haven't received that help you needed, especially in terms of finances, if you are feeling stagnant in relationships and you are feeling that things aren't working out, don't be disheartened. It's a very temporary phase, and too many opportunities coming your way in less than few days. It's already just a few days ahead. So August beginning brings you a lot of new opportunities, hopes. So be hopeful that tomorrow is going to be very bright, and there's going to be contentment and health. For a lot of you, health issues are going to be just sorted out. If you people were facing any health problems, everything is coming to an end. New beginnings are on the cards, and please remember, most of you are going to feel the satisfaction and the perfection of life that you've been longing for. Your hard work is going to pay off, which is a very nice thing. If things have not been moving ahead since the past 2.5 months also, if things have been ignored, if you have been ignored, this is a time universe is giving you everything you could have asked for. You could have all the resources, health, wealth, finances, people looking for higher education. It's everything is in your hands. You just need to execute your plans very well. The universe has planned everything for you, but just remember your execution is also very important. Listen to your gut, work hard, surrender to the divine. See you meeting your old friends. Reunion is on the cards. That relationship that was not working well, everything is coming back. The puzzle is, that last piece of the puzzle, it's just ready to be completed. Goddess, universe is going to be very kind to you, and it's a month full of blessings. All the struggles are coming to an end. Please remember, don't take hasty decisions. If things are happening for your favor, let them go slowly, steadily, not just because you have that belief that, oh wow, everything is happening in my favor, let me just take this decision, I'm sure I won't go wrong. Please don't do that. Sit, plan, take control of your life, ask for divine guidance, listen to your intuition, plan everything out. Lot of contentment in your family, lot of contentment on the whole. all the arguments, quarrels are being settled off, any stress that's going on in the world. I mean, it's the best of all the cards. It's a, you know, amalgamation of all the cards which are the best of all my decks. And this is the time for you Leos to just shine bright, be happy, enjoy, rejoice, celebrate. And for a lot of you, new romantic relationships are on the cards. Maybe the past relationships which were not working out start blooming again. So it's like the universe is gifting you. So just open your arms, wish, let the angel gods pass by, let them see what you want, and they're just roaming around everywhere. They've come down from heaven, they've come down to earth. They're here to balance your life, balance your yin and yang. And this month, till 15th, I'm doing the reading. So by that time, you will be very confident and energetic of this whole situation. It's going to be your persona, your whole life. It's going to be cleansed away from all negativity. You're going to feel much, positive, cleaner, at ease. All those disturbances are going to be coming to an end. So on the whole, it's a very positive time for you. Enjoy it, and I'll be coming back with more such readings. And if you like what I do, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope this reading was resonant with you, and if it was, please leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be signing off now. Thank you so much.